far.
Yes, let's get out of the cloud. That's why I thought you would be painting inside.
That would be a bad idea.
Painting inside?
Huh?
What?
I don't have a paint booth, so everything inside will be
Yeah, that's
full
true.
of paint. This will do. I could have just put the 2K paint on the bare metal. I just wanted to put a coat of primer on just to be sure.
Just to do it properly, yeah.
This is quite heavy.
Yum yum. Yes, we are that anal.
Freud would be proud.
Oh yeah. It's a tad cleaner.
Ein bisschen.
Ein bisschen, ja. Ooh, crusty.
yeah, this gasoline used to be clean.
Yeah,
Mm. It's a fresh batch.
that's to be expected
Mhm.
from cleaning gasoline. Pass me the knife, please.
Thank you.
More overspray. Okay, this will buff up.
Mm.
Have metal polish. This will take care of it. It's alright.
Shockingly bad.
These have seen better days. Come on. Come on. Oh. I'm shocked.
You're shocked.
I'm shocked. I mean,
So what's the plan with these?
nothing. They go back on the car.
Why?
The owner thinks they're fine, and we're already going to be over budget. So the customer has a budget. I understand that, and we are going to go over budget, and I have to cut corners.
All right. Mm.
This is the part I hate the most. Preparing stuff for zinc plating. The worst part is probably this wire.
Mm-hmm. Short video for today, but that's about it. A bunch of stuff painted. And a bunch of stuff ready for anodizing or zinc plating or however you want to call it. And that thing in the background still waiting to be worked on. So is that.